Memorial is one of the most important human rights organizations in Russia. It was founded in the 1980s, and now it has to stop working. The Russian Supreme Court has ordered the dissolution of the human rights organization Memorial International. Memorial's umbrella organization was banned Tuesday for alleged violations of the so-called Foreign Agent Act. As Memorial explained in the messenger service Telegram, the decision also banned the regional sub-organizations of Memorial International. So that means more than 100 demonstrators protested in the trial in front of the courthouse in Moscow, despite the freezing temperatures. There were also some arrests. Diplomats from 15 countries followed the process, including Germany, the court said, according to the Russian state news agency RIA Novosti. The judge did not give reasons for their decision. She followed the prosecutor's request. The human rights organization itself announced legal action against its court-ordered ban. They say, "We will challenge the decision of the Russian Supreme Court in every possible way. And we will find legal ways to continue our work." Memorial attorney Tatiana Glushkova said the NGO was preparing a submission to the Supreme Court appellate body. It was previously reported that Jan Raczynski of the Memorial Management had announced that he would also proceed against the decision before the European Court of Human Rights. The prominent defense attorney Henry Resnick, who is also a member of the Russian President's Human Rights Council, spoke of an illegal verdict. But that is a political decision, said Resnick. Memorial is one of the most important civil society organizations in Russia. The organization, which was co-founded by the Soviet dissident and Nobel Prize laureate Andrei Sakharov in the late 1980s, advocates coming to terms with political persecution and Stalinist terror in the Soviet Union, as well as protecting human and civil rights in today's Russia. The Russian authorities accuse Memorial of violating the so-called foreign agent law. Organizations in Russia classified as foreign agents must label all publications and disclose their sources of funding. Critics see the law as an instrument used by the Kremlin to suppress independent voices in Russia. The Memorial sub-organization, the Human Rights Center Memorial, is also charged with violating the Foreign Agents Act. The Public Prosecutor's Office also accuses the center of glorifying terrorism and extremism. Another hearing in this case will take place in court in Moscow on Wednesday, so today when I'm filming this. The Memorial Human Rights Center supports political prisoners in Russia in particular. This year it also repeatedly pointed to the fate of the imprisoned opposition politician Alexei Navalny. Observers see the crackdown on Memorial as an attempt by the Russian leadership to reinterpret Soviet history. While Memorial wants to create memorials for the victims of Stalinism, the Kremlin commemorates Stalin above all as a war hero and conqueror of National Socialism. Coming to terms with the way Memorial does it seen as an attack on the historical image. Well, the point is, what the National Socialism did was a crime without any words to speak of it. But everybody has to keep in mind that Stalin killed even more people than Hitler did. And you can't glorify either of those. I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.